If you're locked out of your Samsung phone, let's get right into the 3 ways you can get back in. First, always try the official method. If you had previously set up a Samsung account and enabled Find My Mobile on your locked device, you can use it from a computer or another phone. Simply go to the Find My Mobile website, log in with the same Samsung account, select your locked device from the list, and look for the Unlock option. Once you click it, you can remotely set a new password for your phone. If the official method isn't an option, a specialized tool like MagFone Android Unlocker is a great next step. This software is designed to remove your screen lock, be it a PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or face recognition, without needing you to remember the old one. To allow the software to work, you'll need to boot your Samsung into recovery mode. You can do this by holding down the power and volume down buttons together until the screen goes black. Then, immediately switch to holding the power and volume up buttons until the Samsung logo appears. Let go, and you'll enter the recovery menu. Here, use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Select Yes to confirm the wipe, and once it's done, go back and choose Reboot System Now. The software will guide you through the rest, and after the reboot, the lock screen will be completely gone. Finally, for those comfortable with more technical processes, there's the Odin Flashing method. Remember, this method will erase all your data and requires precise files to avoid damaging your device. This requires downloading the correct official firmware for your exact Samsung model. First, power off your phone. Connect your phone to PC. To enter download mode, press and hold the volume down and volume up together. Then press volume up to continue. On your computer, open the Odin tool. Add the firmware file, usually with a .md5 extension, into the AP slot in Odin. Then, click Start to flash the firmware.